are right here at the scene where the shooting happened, and we have an eyewitness with us who is going to explain exactly what the debacle was that led to the shooting and how the shooting happened. My brother.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what happened? What is your name, and can you tell us what happened here?
Kumele makama. Hayi ikama ngilokuza akwenza kunika. But imbone wonkwenzakale. Anti bekulo ndoda lo thile pangiro. Angazi ukuthi bethethisana nalo yini ubhuti lo begqoyini ijacket emnyama so engalento emhlophe phakathi wafana uyimask ezivalile so ubhuti lo manje ngibone mina nje ubhuti noncame abantu ofuna ukudla yabo so kumabhuti kuma ngizokuduthula na mina.
So this particular brother was wearing a mask and what color t-shirt?
Yeah, isayithanda indawo yethu le. Like community right kakhulu.
I understand the community is safe and it's a good environment.
Yeah.
Can you just describe again the person you saw during the shooting?
Amboni mina. Ngisiphofu wena?
I don't understand.
Like ngisiphofu, like amboni.